Some people prefer Bitcoin over gold. Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by Turner Wright at Cointelegraph and brought to you by Unchained Capital. According to a Morgan Stanley executive, the young and adventurous usually go for Bitcoin, while older investors, otherwise known as boomers like myself, stick to more traditional assets. In a September 8th interview with CNN anchor Julia Chatterley, Rucha Sharma, Morgan Stanley's head of emerging markets and chief global strategist, stated that the generational divide when it comes to investments has many millennials choosing Bitcoin over gold. He stated he thinks some of the older investors are still buying gold, but millennials are buying more and more Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Part of the younger generation's drive to look toward cryptocurrencies may be related to Sharma's prediction that inflation could come as early as 2021 in the United States. He cited a number of monetary and fiscal measures that officials have taken to deal with the economic fallout of the pandemic. Sharma continued that there's this lingering feeling out there that given what the central banks, what they're doing in terms of printing money, that there's a search for alternative assets. He states that to have about 5% or so of your portfolio in good is not a bad idea. And if you're a bit more adventurous, and he guesses this has more to do with demographics, then obviously search for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Now, crypto Twitter saw this example played out in real time as famous gold bug Peter Schiff asked the internet to decide who was more trustworthy when it came to financial advice. A 57-year-old gold bug with 30 years experience as an investment professional, or an 18-year-old unemployed college freshman who favored Bitcoin. Of the over 82,000 people surveyed, 81.3% chose the kid. So what this gets to is saying boomers are not that big on Bitcoin and prefer gold. Well, there's nothing new there. Maybe we can change that thinking. Let me know your thoughts in the comment. And this episode is brought to you by Unchained Capital, the world's premier Bitcoin native financial services company, delivering quality products and services for over 200,000 blocks. Visit their website at unchained-capital.com. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin boomer who does buy Bitcoin, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Bitcoin show. This is a BitBlockBoom.com production.